Hey guys, Carl Galler with Carl Galler Builds. Boy, I look kind of tired today. Anyway, coming at you from my latest project, which is putting in a new kitchen in our home. And today's episode I'm going to call Making Lemonade from Lemons because I screwed up. So I bought this pull-out waste can kind of thingy. It's an addition. It comes with a track. You mount it in the bottom of a base cabinet that has a swing-out door. You keep your drawer in the top, and then you use the door as a front panel, and it slides out. And I was very meticulous when I spec'd out the cabinets in this kitchen build. The one thing I screwed up with was, instead of ordering what's called a base cabinet, which typically has a drawer and then a swing out just cabinet door that I would mount this guy on the bottom of, and it would take me 15 minutes, and I have this nifty little pull out thingy. I went ahead and screwed up and I bought a cabinet, ordered a cabinet that was way more expensive, that has 3 drawers. So the challenge is that rather than rip this out and put in a new cabinet, I'm going to make this one work and hopefully it'll work out well, and this project will be a success. So I'm going to take some photos and videos along the way. Gosh, these lights are everywhere. and I'll share with you what I came up with, but you're not going to see this video unless it's a success. So hopefully you guys are going to see this video. Talk to you soon and wish me luck. So my plan is to essentially cut out the bottom of this drawer, put in a piece of plywood that spans from the back of this front to the back of that front, which essentially will make these a monolithic unit. I'm going to have to trim out this cross piece and actually put a faux piece here so it looks like a normal drawer front when it's closed and the gap is right. But and then I might have to trim this side down about halfway just for ease of getting the trash cans in and out. But if I'm able to do that, it'll be way stronger than the actual unit that I bought, because it'll have 2 sets of tracks supporting the whole thing, and take a lot of weight off that bottom track. The original unit that you get just has a bottom track that mounts in the middle. It pulls out. You have all the weight of the garbage. Not that there's a lot of weight, but still. Anyway, you get the idea. We'll see if I can pull it off. Okay, for starters, I laid out and cut the bottom out of the drawer, which is going to leave an area where I can put my my door bracket back on, my bracket back on for the track. It goes something like that, So that should still function as designed. So it's working out. Let's see. The next step is to cut out the front of this drawer, I don't know, style, what do they call that? So the whole thing can go in and out without this obstruction. So here we go. Thanks to that cool little tool, made short work of that. Okie doke, so this is what we've got so far. We have pretty much assembled it. This is the bottom piece that came out of this drawer. I just repurposed it to keep these things nice and flat, parallel and plumb. I cut a piece of plywood that I had scrapped to make the bridge between these two. It's nice. Gave me the opportunity to straighten these out. I laminated a piece of this skin that I used for the sides of the island. I laminated it to the front of that piece of plywood so it would match the rest of the cabinetry. And now I was able to actually retain the tracks from both the upper and bottom. In order to release the top ones, actually, they have to take the trash cans out and release them from there. So I'm going to try to fit it and see what it looks like with the trash. Okay, so here you go. Our nondescript 3-piece drawer. Of course, we're going to have to put handles all the way down. Bam! These trash cans are a little bit tight for this drawer. I mean, I could use them. I might try to find something a little bit narrower this way, even if one rides up on the top of the other. It's really no big deal. Bam. I'm pretty tickled the way that came out. It looks custom, everything's lined up. You can't tell that it wasn't made to be that way. So there you go. I'm Carl Galler with Carl Galler Builds. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And follow me with some other clumsy projects that I get into. Have a good one. I am out.